I'm gonna show you a simple fix for your Audi 2.0 exhaust leak today. Hey everybody, how's it going? I was driving my 2008 Audi A4 the other day. Started getting a little louder, then a little more louder, and then finally just started sounding like a race car. So popped it up on the lift, and my flange completely had the pipe snap off right inside. This is my flex pipe. It is extremely expensive from Audi. I mean, I'm talking hundreds and hundreds of dollars. It's insane. So what I did was I went on Amazon. I first measured this old flange because, you know, it did break right where it goes into. So I'm like, you know what? Let me see if I can find something a little bit longer that could just overextend onto this. So went on Amazon, found a stainless steel flange, the same diameter. I measured with a micrometer, the diameter of the two pipes, and I found this, 5 inches long. Stainless steel. Make sure you get stainless steel, because look at this. This is not stainless, and look how it's just disintegrating, rusting away. You also do not want to buy this pipe aftermarket, because it's going to be cheap metal and it's just going to rot away. If you don't have a choice, I'd say yes, do it. But if you just want to fix it temporarily and save a lot of money, this is the method to go, because this flange was literally $20. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these bolts off, pop this flange off, slide the new one on, and I'm going to show you the end result. Cut the bolts off. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit this in the back and we're gonna slide the sleeve out. And that fits perfect. Angle the bolts up a little more slightly so they're easy to get out next time. Now all we gotta do is go up to the top, start it up, make sure we don't have any leaks. So the car sounds great. I just have a tiny leak up top. And because the pipe was rotted, you're never really gonna get the perfect seal again. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go out and buy some exhaust cement and just stick it up there. I mean, it's not too much noticeable, but I just like the job done 100% right. But other than that, this worked perfect. If this ever happens to you, I would definitely recommend this fix. I'm gonna put the link for the flange on my channel right below on the comments, that you could just go and purchase it on Amazon if you ever have this issue. Please hit the follow button. Thanks a lot.